I think the reason why people develop open source software varies from person to person, like a lot of things. Some do it for experience, others do it because they want their software to be fully available regardless of the economic situation of the person using the software. When you buy a birthday cake, the person that baked the cake doesn't typically share the recipe. The cake is like a binary distribution, and the recipe is like the source code. In history, humans have kept their methods of creation to themselves. Take silk, for example, the fabric. The creation process of silk was apparently a secret for 1,000 years. The sharing of this information was punishable. Yet, with open source, developers share the source code and are probably happy to do it. But why? One might even ask, is open source software good for the software industry? What other industries share their methods of creation, or in our example, the recipe of their cake when their bakery depends on it? I ask myself those questions from time to time, but even those questions are not enough to convince me to close source my software. It's something that I feel makes sense to me. And maybe that's my answer. Maybe that's why I continue to write open source software. It just feels natural.